Hai Keisha, Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum, hai Miss.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ooh, Keisha, I want to ask something. You are going to have your school tests next week, right? Tuh, Keisha? Eh? What's going on? Hi, Selo. Welcome to the class.
Hi, Miss. Good evening.
Good evening. Hang on. Keisha, can you hear me now? Keisha, what's going on? Why did you
I
suddenly
don't
went
know.
off? What?
Mm, I don't know.
It suddenly test. I was like, where am I? Okay, so you are going to have your school tests next week, right, Keisha?
This
So what were the subjects for the first day?
PIN Bahasa Indonesia.
PIN. What is
P,
PIN?
PAI Al-Islam.
Oh, Al-Islam. Okay, got it. Selo, how about you? Are you going to have your school test too next week? Mm. Turn on your video. Let's go. Ah, are you going to have your school test too next week?
No, Miss.
So, have you finished with the school tests?
Uh, mm, no.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi Adera. When are you going to have your school test? Adera, Adera. Selo? In May? Aira, what's going on? Your video is not on. Yo, Selo, when are you going to have your school test?
I don't know, Miss.
You don't know. Okay. Aira? Is Aira? Hang on, hang on. Mm, okay. Hi, Aira. No, did you just cut your bangs?
No,
No, it looks shorter. No, you don't. Okay. So how are you, Aira?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay. So Keisha is the only one having her school tests next week. Speaking of school tests, the last session we talked about, what did we talk about the last session?
Grammar, grammar.
What's the grammar? Yeah, Aira just takes her book. So, Selo, Keisha, what's the grammar?
Miss, can I go to the toilet?
Yo, go on, hurry up. Back to Keisha and Selo. What was our grammar the last session? Check your student book, yo.
Reported speech.
Reported speech. Now, I'm going to ask you to tell me one thing that your teacher told you today. Hai Labiba, Assalamualaikum.
Hi, Miss. Waalaikumsalam.
So, what did your teacher say to you at school? One thing, you need to report what your teacher told you at school. Go on, who will start? Selo, Keisha, or Labiba? Ira is back. Ira, I'm asking your classmates and you now to tell me one thing that your teacher said at school. One thing that your teacher said at school. Please report that to me. For example, your teacher said, sampai ketemu besok. My teacher said we would meet tomorrow. Nobody, guys. It's been like what, 4 minutes? Try to remember what your teacher said at school today. One thing. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch tiger by the toe. Okay. Selo, what did your teacher say at school?
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi Aulia, welcome to the class. Guys, you're taking too long. Don't you remember at least one thing that your teacher said at school? Aulia, I'm asking your classmates, and now you too. What did your teacher say at school? One thing. Please report it to me. So for example, my example was, tadi guruku bilang, sampai ketemu besok ya. So my teacher said, we would meet tomorrow. Guys, seriously, it's almost 6 minutes. Beneran kalian di sekolah berjam-jam gak ada yang ingat satupun yang diucapkan gurunya? One thing that your teacher told you.
My teacher said,
Didn't go to school.
Hang on, Ira. Selo, go on. My teacher said,
how about you today?
my teacher asked, kan tanya, berarti pakai ask. My teacher asked,
My teacher asked, how about you today?
how about
Oh, how about me today?
how about me today? There you go. That's one thing from Selo. Ini, mini, miny, mo, catch tiger by the toe. Ira, your turn.
But today I didn't go to school.
Huh? Why?
Aku lomba.
Oh, I joined a...
I joined a competition.
I see. See, you can say that early, so I didn't wait for your report, Ira. Astaghfirullah. Okay, so Ira is free from reporting what her teacher said. Ini, mini, miny, mo, catch tiger by the toe. Labiba, how about you?
My teacher said we must spirit.
We must.
Spirit.
In Indonesian, kita harus.
Semangat.
Oh, we must keep fighting. We must.
We must keep fighting.
Mhm. There you go. We must keep fighting. Thank you, Labiba and Cello. Ini, mini, miny, mo, catch tiger by the toe. Keisha first lah. Okay.
My my teacher said to open the work last.
My teachers.
My teacher said to open the homework yesterday.
Got it. Thank you, Keisha. Aulia, your turn.
My teacher said be careful on the way home.
There you go. Thank you, Aulia. Now, do you still have what the people in your home said to you the last session? You wrote 2 sentences, right? Okay. So now you need to get those sentences out. The last session, we already asked Aira. I'm done with Aira because Aira already. Jangan ganggu adik sedang tidur. Okay, done. That's one. And then I also asked, who was it? Did I ask Labiba, Keisha, Aulia, or Celo? I don't remember. Ini, mini, miny, mo. Aira will choose. Aira, who will share a sentence now?
Keisha.
Keisha. Okay, Keisha, please share the sentence in Indonesian.
Adikku berkata bahwa dia sedang makan.
Adikku berkata bahwa dia sedang makan. You can type it in the chat box. Let's see who is the fastest one. Oh, I'm not going to find for the fastest one. The last person will get -1 point. If you get -3 points, you will sing a song. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Adikku berkata dia sedang makan. My sister that, oh, nice one, Labiba. Let's go, let's go. Don't be the last one to send it to chat box. My sister said, oh no, Aira, that. Typo, Aira, you need to fix that. That is me, Tati. Labiba was quick. Nice one, Labiba. Oi, Aira too. This will be between Aulia or Celo. Who will have -1 first? Aulia, my little brother said he was eating. Yo! So Celo got the first -1. Okay. There you go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch. Oh, Aira, Keisha, please choose the next person. Keisha, who's the next person?
Labiba.
Labiba, okay. Labiba, in Indonesian.
Ibuku berkata, jangan lupa belajar setiap hari.
Ibuku berkata, jangan lupa belajar setiap hari. Who will get the minus for this? It means that Labiba's mother used don't. If you have don't, you need to change it into Let's go. Come on, Selo, let's go. You don't want to get -2. You will sing a song.
Apa
If you-
ibuku berkata?
Jangan lupa belajar setiap hari. Come on, come on. Who? My mom said, so sorry, Keisha. No way, so sorry, Aulia. You need to change that don't. Check your grammar central again. How do you change don't? My mother said to me, hang on, my mother said that, hang on. My mother said, don't forget no. Nabiba's mother said, don't forget no. Sorry, Selo. Aulia, my mother said, didn't forget. Almost, Aulia. Sorry, my mother said, didn't forget to study every day, every day. Anna, no way, Keisha. My mother said to me that, my mother said that didn't forget to study every day. My mother said to me that I didn't forget to study every day, Ira. My mother said didn't forget. No, so sorry, Cello. Still not right. Nobody has got it right yet. Aulia, you missed the two. My mother said that I didn't forget two. My mother said to me that I didn't forget. Ira got it right. Okay, one. Ira will be free from -1. Aulia, you need the two. Ta-da-da-dow. Ta-da-da-da-dow. Let's go. Keisha, Aulia, Selo. The last one will get another -1. My mother said to me that I didn't forget to study every day. Okay, got it. So, Aira, Aulia, Keisha. Zelo, -2. Oh no, Zelo. Zelo, turn on your video. Guys, I already told you for our rules when we started the term. Ketika kita mulai term, Miss Teti selalu mencantumkan peraturan di kelas Miss Teti. One of them is always turn on your video. Salah satunya adalah selalu nyalakan video kalian. Why? Because this is a Gale class. Ini adalah kelas Gale. Jadi kalian diharapkan aktif, lebih aktif berbicara, berkata-kata. Kalau dalam kondisi kita sedang bercakap di chat box, ya berarti Miss Teti harus bisa melihat wajah kalian. Karena kan kalian tidak mengeluarkan suara. Okay? So turn on your video. Labiba, please choose the next person.
Aira.
Aira again? Okay, Aira. Aira or Aulia, Labiba? Aira.
Mama mau sholat dengar-dengar kalau papa pulang.
Yo, hang on. The sentence is too long. Mama mau sholat. Udah, enough, that's it. Mama mau sholat. Okay. How do you report what Aira's mom said? Mama mau sholat. Don't make sentences too long, Aira. Astagfirullah. Poor friends, they go like, huh? What? Mama mau sholat. That's it. My mother said, okay, I'll take wood. Oh, almost hello. You need to change want into verb two. What's the verb two of want? Come on. Let's go, let's go. My mother said that she would to pray. Sorry, Keisha, no two. My mom said that she, no way, no two. Say hello. You just have to change want into verb two. What is the verb two of want? My mother said that she would pray. Okay, Keisha. Now it's between Labiba or Celo. My mother said that she, Frey? No way, Labiba. My mother said she would pray. Oh, hey, Celo is saved from -3. Oh, okay, Labiba got -1 now. Celo -2, Labiba -1. Okay. The next person, Aira, Aulia or Celo?
Hello.
Celo. Go on, Celo. Celo will not get minus again, of course. Okay, so bahasa Indonesianya diomongin aja.
Adikku perempuan berkata jika dia ingin berolahraga,
Stop,
eh,
that's it. Don't make it too long. Adik perempuanku berkata dia ingin berolahraga.
adik
Adik perempuanku, right?
ya, betul.
Don't make your sentences too long. Adik perempuanku berkata dia ingin berolahraga. Who will get this? Labib already got -1. My sister said that she would almost, Labiba. Sports is a noun. Sports itu kata benda. My sister said that she wanted to sports. The same, Aira, so sorry. My little sister said she would to X almost. No to Aulia. Keisha. My sister said that she would exercise. Got it. Keisha won. Ahoy. My little sister. Oh, my sister. Oh, hang on. Ira is the last one. So sorry, Ira. So Ira will get -1. Selo -2. Labibah -1. Ira -1. Ira -1. Okay. The last one is Aulia. If this is an if Cello doesn't get a minus, everybody will be safe from singing. Cello, let's go. You can do this. Aulia?
Ibuku berkata sedang ambil wudhu mau sholat isya.
Yo, 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 yo. Don't make it too long. Ibuku berkata dia sedang mengambil wudhu. That's it. Ibuku berkata dia sedang mengambil wudhu.
Ibuku berkata dia sedang ambil wudhu.
Stop. Okay, that's it. My mom said that she would, sorry, dia sedang. Not would, Aira, so sorry, sedang. Remember in Gale 5, was it 5? Almost, Labiba. My mother said that she was, when you use was, you need to use verb ing, right? So Was is past tense. Yes, correct. Keisha is one. Okay. Keisha is safe. No singing for Keisha. Nabiba is safe. Let's go, Selo. My mom said that she was. Selo is too late. No, hang on. Let me ask. I'm going to ask. In my chat box, it's Aira first and then Selo. But let's check Keisha, Labiba, and Aulia. Keisha, Labiba, and Aulia. Who is first, Aira or Selo?
Aira.
Labiba, Aulia,
Aira.
Labiba. Yang masuk duluan tulisannya Aira atau Selo?
Aira.
Aira, how about it in your chat box? Is it you or Selo?
Me.
You, Selo. Who is it in the chat box? Aira or you?
Aira.
Aira. So Selo, you have to sing an English song. 1 minus 3. Selo. It was only like 0 point something. It's not even 1 second. It's so after Aira, it's Selo. Okay, so Selo, what is it? Happy birthday or twinkle twinkle? A B C D maybe?
I don't know, Miss.
A
Miss aja yang request.
A B C D then. Go. A B C D E F G. Labiba is singing it. Oh man. Go on, Selo. A B C D E F G. Aulia, this one is Mahes or who is it?
Azam.
Oh, this is Azam. Okay. Selo, A B C D. Turn on your audio. A B C. Let's go. I'll sing with you. No problem. 1, 2, 3.
Uh,
A B
A,
A
B,
B
C,
C D
D,
E
E, F, G,
H
H, I, J, K,
L M N O P
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
T
U,
V
W, X,
X Y
Y,
and
and Z.
Z. Now I know my
A, B, C,
next time. Won't you sing
sing,
with
sing with me.
There you go. Okay. So now everyone, let's go to your student book. Please open this part. We haven't done it the last session. Activity 2. Okay. So we have 3 sentences that we need to change. Okay. Anybody wants to do number 2, 3, or 4?
Three.
Number 3 is Aira. Okay, got it. Who's number 2 and 4? Miss, which one? Explain. You can find explain
Ay,
in the
ito.
Number 2 is hello. Nice. Okay. Number 5. Where is explain? This explain. This is easy. You just have to find it in the email. And then you need to change it into direct speech. Okay. So what is number 2? She said our lunches. Go, Selo. She said lunches, lunches. Where's lunches? Ah, this one.
She said, uh, she said our lunches were very healthy.
She said our lunches were very healthy. That's the reported speech. What is the direct speech? Tabitha,
Mm,
Keisha, Aulia, Aira, Selo. Everyone can join this. Our lunches.
Our lunches were very healthy.
You need to change this into present tense. Kalau reported speech dirubah jadi past tense, kalau direct speech kembali lagi ke present tense. What is the present of were? A-R-E.
Ah.
Are. So, our lunches. Aulia, please help. Our lunches.
Our lunches are very healthy.
There you go. You can write that in your book. So she said our lunches were, she said our lunches were very healthy. Aira, are you ready for number 3?
Yes.
What is it?
She she explained that she wasn't very good at sports, but they argued that she was very good at running.
It's a long sentence. So how do we change it into direct speech?
She explained that she wasn't very good at sports.
When we make a direct speech, we don't use she explained that. Only the part, this part. She. What's the present tense of wasn't? Anybody? Present tense of wasn't? Yo, nobody? Wasn't?
was
Present. Were is are. How about was? What's the present of was?
Isn't.
Isn't. Thank you. So the sentence should be she.
She isn't very good at sports.
But
But they argued that
don't use they argue.
uh,
But
uh,
she is.
she isn't very good at sport, but
She
she
is.
she was very good at running.
Yo, back to was. She is.
She is very good at running.
There you go. Our lunches are. Yeah, it takes me ages to write this. Ya Allah. My Zoom is in. Ya, ya udahlah, kalian tahulah. Miss Teti putus asa mau nulis ini. I cannot write on my screen. Ayo. So, our lunches are very healthy. She explained that she wasn't very good at sports, but we argued that she was very good at running. She isn't very good at sports, but she is very good at running. Ah, Ira will write it for me. Thank you, Ira. Okay. Number 4. Yo. She explained that she wasn't still the original. And then after that, in quotation mark, setelah yang aslinya ditulis, baru dalam tanda petik kalimat langsungnya. Number 4, Keisha, Habibah, or Aulia? This one is already done by Aira. You just have to complete. Oh, yo, speaking of charging, Aira, thank you for reminding me. I have to charge my laptop. Okay. So, everybody, done? If you have finished, please show me your book to the camera. Okay. Keisha will show me first. She has finished. Your student book, Keisha. Please show it to the camera. Have you finished writing?
No.
No. I thought you have finished. Oh, hang on, Selo. Let me highlight. Okay, go. So I can see it bigger. Your book? No. Ah, there. Okay, got it. Thank you, Selo. Selo, do you have your readers with you? The small book reader. We are going to read a story today. So find your reader.
What, miss?
The reader book. Do you have it there? Ah, okay. Got it. Others, let's go. I know. Aulia, lebih bagus Keisha. Okay, Labiba will share the screen. Spotlight. Oh, thank you. Oh, I really like Labiba's writing. So neat. Mwah. Thank you, Labiba. Mm, there you go. So Labiba, Selo, Dan, Aulia, Keisha, Aira. Labiba, please prepare your reader book. Okay, thank you, Aulia. Please prepare your reader book, Aulia. Yeah, Aira, Keisha. Let's go. Now it's Salo's turn to be sleepy, waiting for Aira and Keisha. Let's go. Okay, there you go. Thank you, Ira. I was about to say thank you, Keisha. Keisha is the last one. Thank you, Ira. Reader book, Ira, do you have it there? Mm-hmm. Got it. Keisha. Okay, got it. Thank you, Keisha. Okay, everyone. Now let's go to your reader. What story are we going to read today?
Gul-
Bird,
Lilliput.
Gulliver and Lilliput. Okay. Now let's take a pic. Let's take a picture. Let's take a look at the picture first. Hang on. Wait. I need to. Miss Teddy, you told us to prepare our reader, but you don't prepare your reader. Sorry. Okay. So Gulliver and the Lilliput. Let's take a look at picture one. What can you see in the background? What is that?
Ocean.
The ocean. What else?
the ship,
A ship. Okay. Now, what is happening to the ship?
The ship was sinking.
Oh, nice. The ship was sinking. Okay. You still remember to use that. The ship was sinking. And what is Gulliver doing? What was Gulliver doing?
he was swimming.
He was swimming. Got it. Uh, was Gulliver? No. Did Gulliver die in the accident?
No.
So, what's his name?
Lemuel Gulliver.
Oh, Gulliver. Okay. Lemuel Gulliver. Is he a survivor?
Yes.
Keisha, don't. This is Keisha. Yes. Yes, he is a survivor. Okay, he is a survivor. What was Gulliver's job?
Doctor.
He's
Doctor.
got it. He was a doctor. Now let's take a look at picture number two. Okay, what are these little things? Are they toys?
People.
They are people, but
Small people.
very small people. Okay, what are their names?
Arms,
Pardon?
arm,
Um,
arm,
check again. It's not their name. Their name is here
arm,
in picture four. Anybody?
Lefusco,
Mm,
Levusco.
no, sorry. Blefuscu is the enemy. Blefuscu.
Lilliput,
Lilliput. Got it. They are the people of Lilliput. Okay. They are the people of Lilliput. Hmm. Now, we're going to try and read this. Okay. Who will do part one? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch tiger by the toe. Keisha is part one. And then part two. Eeny, meeny, miny.
Aira.
Aira is part two. Part 3.
Cello.
Cello is part 3. Part 4. Ini, mini, mini, mo, catch, Abiba is part 4. Aulia is part 5. And then we'll go back to Keisha. Okay? Go ahead, Keisha. Gulliver in Lilliput.
My name is Lemuel Gulliver. I used to be a doctor on a ship, but one day there was a terrible storm. Our ship hit some rocks and sank. The crew drowned. I was alone, so I swam. I swam until I reached an island, where I crawled onto the beach and fell asleep.
When I woke up, I heard noise, but I couldn't move my arms. My arms and legs were tied to the ground with ropes. Then something climbed up my leg, a tiny man. Suddenly, 40 more men appeared on my chest. I shouted loudly and pulled one hand free, but someone shot. Togo panic. I didn't know what it meant, but hundreds of tiny arrows flew at me, so I decided to lie still.
Mm, Later, while I was sleeping, they moved me to a temple and chained me to the wall. The emperor came to see me, but I couldn't understand him. I pointed to my mouth. He understood and asked his men to bring food.
I stayed in Lilliput for 9 months. 600 people took care of me. They made me clothes, shared their food, and taught me their language. At first, they were afraid of me, but when I could speak well, they asked where I come from. I answered that I was from England, but they only know Lilliput and Blefuscu, a nearby island. They joked that they thought I fell from the star. I loved it.
I asked the emperor to set me free. He told me to be patient. Then he asked me to agree to some rules. I respect I respected him too. I agreed, and he told his men to release me.
Aku kan, iya. He explained that Lilliput was at war with Blefuscu. Lilliputians argued that eggs should be broken at the small end, but Blefuscudians disagreed. They broke theirs at the big end. They just couldn't agree. He wanted me to capture the Blefuscudian ships. I did this and pulled them back to Lilliput. It wasn't easy. I was attacked with arrows along the way.
Okay.
Then the emperor wanted to capture the Blefuscudian people. I couldn't agree with this and didn't offer to help. He became angry. I knew I was in danger and needed to escape. So I swam to Blefuscu, where I found an, an old boat. Thousands of Blefuscudians helped me dragged it onto the beach and repaired it. Finally, the boat was ready. They gave me a Nemo for food and I sailed away.
Mm. After 2 days, I saw your ship. You asked where I came from. I told you I told you my story, but you didn't believe me. Here are some tiny animals from Blackfoot School. Now do you believe me? I am Lemuel Gulliver, and this is the truth.
There you go. Thank you, Keisha, Aira, Selo, Labiba, and Aulia for reading this story. Nice one. So, okay. We have some words that we need to check. How do you say this word? Hang on. Ayo. Okay, wait. How do you say this word again?
When
Swim, swam, or swum?
swam,
Swam.
Swam, got it. This one is swam. Mhm. The next one, how do you say this word?
crab,
Almost.
Rope.
Rope. Got it. Aira, you need to flatten your O. So instead of O, it's O. Ropes.
ropes,
The same with this. How do you say this word again? This one.
boat,
Boat.
See? Don't say oh, Ira. Oh, boat. So not bot, boat.
boat,
Boat. Oh,
boat,
there you go. Not bot, boat. Okay. And then we have this one. Where is it? We already talked about this many times. How do we say this?
wooden,
Couldn't.
Couldn't. Please don't read the L, don't read the O. So not cold, couldn't. Okay. And how about this one?
S,
With the D in the end. Asked,
S,
asked. So it's like when you are pushing the accelerator, lagi ngegas, terus berhenti. Okay, so asked, check. I'm going to check one by one. Aira, asked.
X,
No, that's X. Asked.
S,
Ah, there. Aulia?
Ask.
Nice. Keisha?
S.
I didn't hear the last D. Asked. One more time.
F.
Sorry, one more time.
S.
Okay, got it. Celo?
X.
That's X. Ask. So, as go. Ask.
X.
Ah,
Ask.
there. Labiba?
X,
That's X. No way. Asked.
S,
There. Asked. Okay. The next one is this. Yo. Mhm. There. How do you say that?
answered,
Mm,
Answered.
Don't read the W. Okay. Answered. Answered.
and
So not sword, but cert. Answered.
Answered.
Labibah, answered.
answered,
Okay. Selo, answered. Answered. Selo, answered.
Answered.
Okay, nice. Keisha, answered.
answered,
I still hear the W. Lewatin aja W-nya, beneran nggak usah dibaca. Answered.
answered,
Ah, there, Aulia.
Answered.
Answered. Okay. And then we have this one. Yo, this is one of the words that you learned earlier. There.
Love.
LAFD. So just like that. Or LEFD. So it can be like this. Yeah, astagfirullah. Not even in the chat box I can type. Ayo. It can be like this. Laughed. Or it can be like this. La haula wala quwata illa billah. Astagfirullah. The Zoom is killing me. You can say it laughed or laughed. Okay? But there's no G. Nggak ada bunyi G di tenggorokannya. So laughed, laughed. Okay. Check everyone together. 1, 2, 3. Laughed,
Love.
laughed.
laugh,
Got it. Okay. The next one is this. Ta-da-ta-da-ta. The name. Okay. This one. Lily.
Lilliputian.
Aha! Nice one, Ira. Lilliputians. Okay, Lilliputians. Okay. So we say Lilliputians. And then this one. This is also one of our vocabulary in lesson 1. Where is it? Hang on, hang on. Yo. Is it here? It was but they broke there. They just got it wanted me to then the emperor I couldn't agree. So this one. This is how do you
offer,
it's F, remember. So not over, not over,
Offer.
offer. Because when you say it with F, it would sound like over, over. Okay. So there you go. Now this is what we're going to do. First of all, there will be 5 questions about this story. The second of all, you will be grouped in the breakout room to report what Gulliver said. But first, in those 5 questions that I'm going to ask about this story, it will decide your partners. Okay, so the people who didn't get to answer will be in different groups. So if you get 0 point and your friend got 0 point, you will be divided into 2 groups. Ready? The first one is, okay, hang on. Yo. go. The first one is, what is the name of Lilliputian's enemies?
Flap,
Keisha, what's the name?
Flaphus,
Almost.
Blephauscogian.
Blephauscudians. Remember I said Lilliputians, so it should be Blephauscudians. Aira, 1 point. Aira, 1 point. The next one, why did Blephauscudians and Lilliputians fight? It's on this part. Why did Blephauscudians and Lilliputians fight?
Lilliputians argued that eggs should be broken at the small end, but Flaphuscudians disagreed.
There you go. Silly problem. One said that the egg should be broken at the small end. One said the egg should be broken at the big end. Okay. So Keisha 1, Ira 1. Keisha 1. The next question. Okay. Why did Gulliver didn't want to help Lilliputians? Why didn't Gulliver help Lilliputians? Anyone?
The emperor wanted to capture the Blephauscogian.
Because the emperor wanted to capture the Blefuscudian. Here, the answer is here. Nice one, Ira. So Ira 2, Keisha 1. Got it. Ira 2. Okay. The next one, this is question number 4. Okay. What happened to Gulliver after the war?
He shall wait.
He? Go, Aulia.
He sailed away.
He sailed away. Got it. He left Blefuscu. He sailed away. Aulia 1. The last question. Okay. How long did Gulliver sail away before he met a ship?
2 days.
2 days.
So sorry, Keisha. Aulia was faster. So Aulia got 2 points. Ira 2 points. Keisha 2 points. Okay. It means that Celo and Labiba will be in 2 different team. Aira and Aulia, you both have 2 points. Now, my question to you is, Aira and Aulia, do you want to have 2 people in your group or 3 people in your group?
3 people in my group.
Aira, 3 people. Yes? Okay, Aulia, 2 people then. It means that Keisha and Selo will go with Aira. Labiba will go with Aulia. Okay, so Keisha, Keisha, Selo, and Aira will be together in one team. Labiba and Aulia will be in the second team, 2 people. Now, this is what you'll do in the breakout room. For 5 minutes, you will try and imagine that you are Gulliver's friend. Okay? You will report. Look, Labiba. Labiba is gone. Labiba. Okay. Aulia, you need to hear this because then you will say it to Labiba, okay? You need to report 3 things that Gulliver might say to you about Lilliput or Blefuscu. Okay? You will imagine yourself as Gulliver's friend and you hear Gulliver's story in Lilliput and Blefuscu. Then you will report 3 things that Gulliver said. For example, this is just an example. You cannot use this for your 3 sentences, okay? 3 things, but I'm going to give example 1. Gulliver said that the emperor wanted him to capture the Blefuscudians. True? Is that true?
So,
True. Gulliver said that the emperor wanted him to capture Blefuscudians. You cannot use that. You still need to find 3 other things to say. Okay, so Aira, Keisha, Selo, 3. Aulia and Labiba. Where's Labiba? Aulia and Labiba, 2. 2 sentences for Aulia and Labiba. Wait, hang on. If Labiba is not here, Aulia doesn't have a partner. Oh no. Yo. Ah. Oh, it's okay lah. Aulia, I will be your partner. But if Labiba comes back, Labiba will be your partner again. Okay, so everyone, let me assign you to a breakout room. So the first one is Aira, Keisha, and Selo. The second one is Aulia and me. Okay, you have 5 minutes to do this. Okay, Aulia. So what do you want to report first about Gulliver?
I stayed in Lilliput for 9 months.
Oh, this one. Okay. So how do you report this sentence? Gulliver. Aulia? Gulliver.
Gulliver said, I stayed in Lilliput for 9 months.
You cannot say I. You need to change I. Gulliver said, dia.
Gulliver said, He stayed in Lilliput for 9 months.
Got it. That's the first sentence. You can type it down so when Labiba is here, he will read your notes. Gulliver said that he stayed in Lilliput for 9 months.
Okay, Miss.
What's the second one?
I asked the emperor to set me free.
Where is that? In what part?
Part 5.
Part 5. I asked the emperor to set me free. Okay, so how do you change this into reported speech? Gulliver?
Gulliver said he asked the emperor to set me free.
Not me.
The Gulliver said he asked the emperor to set him free.
Got it. Gulliver said that he asked the emperor to set him free. No, it's actually he had asked the emperor, but it's okay lah. Gulliver said that he asked the emperor to set him free. I'll go to the other room, okay, Aulia? I'm not sure where Labiba is. Okay, so let me go to the other room and check them. Hey guys, how is it? Aulia has finished. Easy peasy lemon squeezy for her. Have you finished?
No.
No. Why not? Okay. What have you got number 1?
No.
Yo, not even number 1. Astaghfirullah. You need guys, Keisha, Selo, Aira, you need to go fast. It's only 2 more minutes. So, what did you want to say first? Choose one thing that you want to report from Gulliver's story. Keisha, Selo, Aira, which one? What do you want to report? Guys, 1.5 minutes. Come on, you need to work fast. Choose a sentence and then you can change it to reported speech.
Gulliver said.
Ooh, what, Aira?
Gulliver said that
What number?
7.
7. Okay. Gulliver said.
Gulliver said that the emperor wanted to capture the.
That was my example, Aira. Don't use that. Kan banyak kalimat lainnya. Jangan pakai kalimat yang tadi Miss Teti jadikan contoh.
Oh, itu yang tadi. Ada 2.
Let's go. Ayo, time is up. Come on. Oh, guys. Guys, seriously, you need to work faster. Ayo. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Keisha, have you got the sentences? Aulia, I'm so sorry, Labiba is not coming back. Ayo. Okay, so everyone, welcome back. Tabiba is not coming, so Leah is going to read both sentences on her own. I'm sorry, I cannot help you with this, Aulia. Okay, ready? Get set and go. What's the first one? Oh, hang on, hang on. You need to say in which part the sentence is from. Sentence one is from number. Aulia. Sentence one is from number.
Four.
Number four. Okay. And what is the original sentence?
I stayed in Lilliput for 9 months.
This is the original sentence. Now Alia is going to report this.
Gulliver said that he stayed in Lilliput for 9 months.
One more time, Alia.
Gulliver said that he stayed in Lilliput for 9 months.
Wait. Why still there's a mistake? One more time, Alia. He stayed or he said? He said, he said. One more time. Go. Gulliver said.
Gulliver said that he stayed in Lilliput for 9 months.
There you go. Well done. What's the second sentence, Alia? In what?
Part 5.
Part 5. Got it. And the original sentence is?
I asked the emperor to set me free.
Please report it.
Gulliver said he asked the emperor to set him free.
To set him free. Thank you, Aulia. There you go. Okay, now it's Aira, Celo, and Keisha's turn. Who will report first? One person, one sentence.
Aira.
Aira, okay. What number? What part are you taking the sentence from?
1.
Part 1, okay. What's the original sentence?
I swam until I reached an island.
Now you can report it.
Gulliver said that uh, he swam until reached an island.
Almost. You also need to change I in the middle. One more time. Gulliver said that he had swum
Until reached an island.
There is an I here, Aira. You need to change one more time.
He said that he swam until I reached an island.
No, you or Gulliver reached an island.
Yeah. Yes.
Was it you or him?
Him.
So why did you say I? You need to change the I. Go. Gulliver said.
Gulliver said that he swam until Gulliver reached an island.
Until he, Ira. Until he. Why Gulliver? This is why we practice changing this. One more time. Gulliver said, go.
Gulliver said that he swam until he reached an island.
Actually, thank you, Ira. You didn't learn this in this chapter, but actually when it's past tense, you need to change it into past perfect. But I'll take that. It's okay. The next one, Keisha or Cello?
Keisha.
Keisha. What part did you take the sentence from?
4.
Part 4. What's the sentence?
600 people took care of me.
So how do you report it?
Gulliver said that 600 people taken care of me.
Oh, Keisha actually changed it into past perfect. Almost, Keisha. You need to use had taken. One more time. Gulliver said,
Gulliver said that 600 people had taken care of me.
there you go. Correct. Now it's correct. Thank you, Keisha. The last one, Cello.
Number 3.
Mm-mm.
I pointed to my mouth.
Okay. And now you report it.
Gulliver said he was pointed to my mouth.
Don't use was. There is no is, am, or are there. Gulliver said he.
Gulliver said he was
No was. Gulliver said
he had pointed to my mouth.
not my. You need to change.
Me.
Miliknya. Mulutnya.
Gulliver mouth.
But how do you say Gulliver's mouth? Is it her mouth?
His mouth.
Go. Gulliver said that he
Gulli-
had pointed.
Gulliver said that he pointed to his mouth.
There you go. Gulliver said that he had pointed to his mouth. Now, before you go out of the Zoom room, just like the last session, there will be passwords if you want to go out. Ira is like, Miss Patty, I was the first one, but you didn't let me out because it's still incorrect. Okay. What you need to do is to imagine Lilliputians are very small people, right? Now you need to imagine Gulliver went to the giant's land. You know what giants are, right? So you need to imagine now Gulliver went to a giant's land. What would Gulliver say? Okay, you can report what Gulliver said to me. For example, I'll give you an example. Gulliver said that the people in the giant's land were very big. Gulliver said that the people were very big. Who wants to go out first? Nobody wants to go out first? The creak creak. Ira, if you have got it, just say it. Not yet. Keisha. It seems that Keisha has got it. Aulia, wait. Go ahead, Aulia.
Gulliver said that he confused why the door of the house very tall.
Almost. You missed the verbs, Aulia. Gulliver said that when I say aku bingung, I say I'm confused. Not I confused. I'm confused. So you missed something there, Aulia.
Gulliver said that he was confused why the door of the house very tall.
Almost. When I want to say the door, I would say like this. Whoa, the door is very tall. The door is very tall.
Gulliver said that he was confused why the door of the house was very tall.
High five, Aulia. There you go. Three! You may leave the Zoom room. Thank you for joining today's session, Aulia. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.
Bye.
Ta-da-doo, ta-da-da-da-doo-doo. Wait, Ira, is that the kefir from last month? You still have the same bottle of kefir behind you? Yeah, that's kefir, right? Nobody finishes the kefir. Okay, let's go, guys. Nobody wants to go out after Alia. Who wants to do it? Who wants to do it?
Gulliver said that he surprised of the big animals in the island.
Wait, when I want to say aku terkejut, it's this. I'm surprised. I'm surprised. So you missed something there, Ira.
Surprised.
Mm-mm. Gulliver said that
Gulliver said that I surprised
don't use I. Listen to
Gulliver
this. When I want to say aku terkejut, I'm surprised.
Gulliver said that he I'm surprised.
No, I. Gulliver
I'm
berkata bahwa aku terkejut. No. You need to change I'm surprised into reported speech.
I'm
Change.
I'm surprised.
But you need to change into reported speech. Yang terkejut Ira atau Gulliver?
Gulliver.
Gulliver kan? Gulliver berkata dia terkejut. Not I.
Gulliver said that he is surprised
Not is, almost, past tense.
He surprised.
You need to change is into past tense.
His.
Past tense of is.
Are.
No way. Try to remember again, Ira. What is
Gulliver said that he was surprised
he was surprised.
of the big animals in the island.
There you go. High five, Ira. Bye bye. You may leave the Zoom room.
Thank you, Miss.
Who's next? Cello or Keisha? Oh, Keisha first. Okay.
I miss.
Hang on, Cello. Keisha first.
Gulliver said that the foods in the giant island were very big.
The foods were very big. High five. You don't need Okay, there you go. You may leave the Zoom room, Keisha. Bye bye.
Thank
Assalamualaikum.
you, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Go, Cello.
Gulliver said that he swam until he reached an island or where
Hey, that was from the story in the book. Itu kan dari cerita yang di buku.
ini yang di buku, Miss.
Now you need to imagine. Sekarang Selo harus membayangkan Gulliver went to a giant's island. Gulliver pergi ke negeri raksasa. Tell one thing that Gulliver might say to you. Laporkan apa yang kira-kira Gulliver katakan kalau dia ketemu Selo. Negeri raksasa. Ini begini.
Gulliver said that the house
It's okay. Gulliver said the house
was big.
See, there you go. Kalau fokus pasti bisa. Kadang-kadang nggak fokus. Perintahnya apa? Ayo, dipahami dulu instruksinya, baru dikerjakan. Oke? There you go. Thank you for joining today's session. Selo, high five.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye-bye. See you next week, inshallah.
Thank you.
Good night.